So today we're going to be making a dandelion and coconut lotion. Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Buddy, top dog of Lucky Dog Creations. Hello friends, today I'm going to be doing another DIY. This time I'm just going to be over at the stove because most of the time I'll be working around this area. Now I do have a new headset that my husband bought me. Hopefully it'll keep out the side noises and so you'll be able to hear me better. Let me know in the comments below whether you think it's any better or not. So today we're going to be making dandelion and coconut oil lotion. This is an easy recipe. It just takes a little while to get done, but there's only 2 ingredients. 1/2 cup coconut oil and 1/4 cup dried dandelion flowers. Now you want to take your dandelion flowers, you want to pick them when they're nice and bright and yellow. Just pop off the heads and then lay them on single file on some paper towels for several days. Mine have been drying out for 2 weeks. So let's get started, shall we? Take a saucepan, put a few inches of water in it. Turn your heat on to medium-low. We're going to do like a double boiler method. We're going to take a heat-proof jar and stick in the pan. Put in our coconut oil. Whoa. And this is 1/2 cup of coconut oil. And put in our 1/4 cup dried dandelion flowers. And we're going to infuse the dandelion flowers into the coconut oil. We will let this infuse for 2 hours, but you want to make sure that you check the water level because you don't want the water to evaporate out. So I'll see you in about 2 hours. As you can see, the coconut oil is melted and the dandelions have been sitting in the oil, soaking and infusing into the coconut oil. We've got a little over 4 minutes left of the 2 hours. And while we're waiting for the time to tick down, I'm going to give you a list of the benefits of the dandelion coconut oil lotion. Now for the coconut oil, it hydrates, it protects the skin, it calms the temporary redness, it has antioxidant properties, it absorbs into the skin easily, and it soothes irritated skin. So that will make your skin feel really, really nice and smooth and hydrated. And dandelions have a lot of good benefits as well. It increases the generation of new skin cells. It reduces the skin inflammation and reduces irritation. It increases hydration and collagen production. It's also an antioxidant and may protect against skin damage when applied immediately after exposure to the sunlight. So between the 2 of them, this sounds like a really, really good lotion. So we have about 3 minutes left and I will be back to show you what we'll do next. So the 2 hours are up. I shut off the heat to that. And here I have a glass bowl covered with cheesecloth. We are going to dump out the melted coconut oil and capture the dandelion so it doesn't go into the bowl. You're supposed to use a small bowl. This is the smallest I had for a glass bowl. You want to be real careful in taking out the jar because it's been infusing for 2 hours. And we'll pour that in. Look at the nice yellow liquid. and we have the dandelion sitting on top, and the liquid went down through. I had this tied down with some yarn. I'll cut that off and then I'll squeeze the dandelions. So I have the cheesecloth cut off, and we just want to squeeze and get all of the infused liquid into the bowl. We want as much as we can get for the lotion. Isn't that pretty? So you can, when you're melting the coconut oil, add some essential oil to that to give it a scent. I didn't do that for this one, but if I was going to, I would add lavender because it has calming properties to that. So next we will put this in the refrigerator so the liquid can firm up, and then we'll be back to finish it up. So the dandelion infused coconut oil has set up. We are now going to whip it up until it's nice and fluffy. I may have let it set up too much. All right, I had to walk the dog, so my dandelion coconut oil set up a little bit too much. I'm going to let it soften up a little bit. It was not getting any softer, and so I did put it in the microwave for 20 seconds at 5-second intervals. So if you find yourself that you put it in the refrigerator and it got too hard, you can do that. So let's mix this until it is nice and light and fluffy. As you can see, it looks light and fluffy. We'll put it in our jar and then we'll try it out. So here is the final product, the whipped dandelion coconut oil lotion. And who would have thought that dried dandelions could make a nice, soft, creamy lotion? So let's give it a try. This is what it looks like. You want to keep it in a nice cool area so it doesn't melt. If it does melt, just stick it in the refrigerator until it sets up a little bit. Oh, that feels really, really good. A little bit goes a long way. It doesn't have a smell to it. I thought maybe it'd smell like coconut, but I can't smell any of the coconut. But it feels nice and soft. Makes my arm feel and hand feel silky smooth. I think next time I would add some lavender essential oil to give it a little bit of a scent, but you don't need it. I think this works out really, really well. Real easy to make. It just takes a while for it to get put all together. The longest part is actually infusing the dandelions. So if you have a bunch of dandelions in your yard, don't kill them. Make a lotion with it. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and you can get notified every time I upload a video. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.